guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to clean your makeup sponges. One of the biggest things that I have a problem with is spending tons of money on these little things. To me, they're not cheap, and I've tried like the cheaper version of these, and then I've tried the more expensive versions, and I really was getting tired of throwing them away because I thought, you know, they're clogged with makeup, and I just didn't really know how to get them extra clean. I tried a makeup remover. I've tried everything I could think of that I possibly could use to clean the sponge, and then I figured out after watching a couple other videos and after experimenting in my own bathroom, I figured out a way to clean my makeup sponges fairly cheaply, and so here goes. Alright, so the first thing that I do is I will take my sponge. As you can see, it's really disgusting. I've been using it for quite some time, and really it's really unhealthy to keep using it when it's this filthy. So the first thing I'll do is I will take it and soak it under water. I'll squish it as hard as I can and try to get as much water inside of it as I can. I'll keep doing that until I think it's pretty soaked. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll get just a regular bar of soap. This one, as you can see, it's been through it, but any bar of soap will do. I usually use like a Dove or any kind of cheap soap that you can find, bar soap. But as you can see, there's a ton of makeup coming out now. As you can see, it'll be pretty gross. So what I'll do is I'll keep squeezing as much as I can. And what you want to do is you want to push the bar of soap really hard into the sponge so that it's the same concept of loading it up with water. You're trying to load it up with that soapy water. So I'll do it over and over and over. I'll probably do this about several times until I can see that it's running clear. But for the purposes of time, I'm going to go ahead and speed up a big portion of this part because you don't want to sit here and watch me do the same thing over and over. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, there's still makeup still coming out. I will continue to do this over and over and over until it's completely clear. As I said before, as you can see, I have washed it over. I've washed over it repeatedly, and so here is where it starts. As you can see, it's starting to become brighter, so you can see that the water's starting to run clear. And so I'll keep doing that until it becomes completely clear. And that's pretty much it. You can see that I'll squeeze all the water out. As you can see, it's pretty much done. And there it is. That's what it looks like. And that's what it looked like when I bought it. Amazing. And here it is, all cleaned. And the next thing I really will just do is just dry it repeatedly. I usually use some type of a cloth that absorbs water. This one's just a regular makeup cloth that I'll use to clean my face. I find that it usually absorbs the water pretty well. But here it is, all clean. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a great day.